bunch of nights coding away, and we're going to focus on this stuff. We got to go back and we got to update this. The security stuff is a killer. It really, really is a killer. I've got to go back into every table and make sure that the data is owned by a particular resource or role. I've got to define those roles with another set of tables. I've got to put a whole different set of components on there that allow password authentication and all the other things that go with it. Right? This totally takes the application to a completely different level just by that one simple request. Okay? I want to update all that data then to be tied back to various stamps so that the broker can see what he's allowed to see and my dad can see it. And then there's even more updates regarding the usage and the impact of it. So now I got to actually call one of my friends that's a designer by trade and say, hey, do you have some time available? Can I, buy you a couple of beers at the Rocket Brewing Company? Can we go through the screens that we've done? And can you look at this from a user experience and a user interface perspective and give me some feedback on how better to lay this out for a 72-year-old grumpy man? And so far, I've been able to work on that and we get that all figured out, but that still comes back then to components that have to be redone and refactored to fit into those requirements. And then third, I'm going to have to potentially build out I'm going to have to pick a reporting tool. I'm going to have to lay out what some of those reports are for my dad, potentially iterate through with them, and make sure that I'm pulling the data in and out appropriately to make those reports work. So that's not minimal that's not minimal anymore. It's viable, it's a product, but we're well past minimal, guys, right?